Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to tell you about how to reset Hotpoint Dishwasher reset button. Method 1. Using the start or reset button. Ensure the dishwasher is plugged in and powered on. Press and hold the start or reset button for about 3 seconds. This action will initiate a reset and may drain any water present in the machine. After pressing the button, wait at least 2 minutes before attempting to start a new cycle. This is the control panel of the dishwasher. Number 1 button is for on and off or reset button with indicator light. Number 2 is program selection button with indicator light. 3 is half load button with indicator light. 4th is salt refill with indicator light. Rinse aid refill indicator light is for 5. 6th is for program indicator lights. 7th is delay indicator light. And 8th is delay button with indicator light. Ninth is tablet or tab button with indicator light. 10th is start or pause button with indicator light or drain out button. Method 2. Manual power reset. You can manually reset the dishwasher by disconnecting it from the power source. Turn off the dishwasher and unplug it from the outlet. If it's hardwired, you may need to turn off the circuit breaker. Leave it disconnected for at least 60 seconds. Reconnect the power and turn the dishwasher back on. This should resolve any persistent issues. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos.